What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Will. This is the Wimya YouTube channel. If you haven't already, how about you stop what you're doing, go ahead, hit that subscribe button down below. It's totally free, and what that's going to do is keep you up to date with all my current uploads and all the progress I'm making on my Ram TRX build. So once again today, we're going to be installing another modification on the TRX. This time, it's a pretty cool, cheap, inexpensive mod you can do. And honestly, for someone like me, if you're into vlogging, you like installing cameras on your car or microphones, tons of different things, this is something you're definitely going to want to install on your TRX. So how about we go right over here and I show you exactly what I'm talking about. It's in this nice little package right here, and it's offered by MidWestTrx. Check them out on Instagram. I'm going to throw their tag right over here. Super inexpensive mod. Check them out. Cool dudes. So let's go ahead. I've already gone ahead and cut this open. And what this is a Molle mount. So if you come from the Raptor world, you might be familiar with the Built Right Molle mount for your dash. And this is pretty much tailored after that. So if you wanted to install any sort of cameras or maybe CB radio or maybe a phone mount or tons of things that you can mount, you definitely want to get one of these because it'll make it really simple for you to go ahead and throw any sort of mount on there. Sorry, this is a lot easier with two hands, but we'll get it done. So as you can see, got nice metal Molle mount right here. Definitely great quality, nice metal. It's nice black powder coat on there. I do know he also offers it in a black, blue, and red finish. Obviously I just went with the black one, but again, you can kind of get like your GoPro mounts, and they kind of go through like underneath here, and then they kind of just thread on top of it like so. Again, sorry, I'm doing this with one hand. So, if you wanted to mount like your GoPro or anything, that just kind of screws in like that. And then you have a nice secure mount for your GoPro. Now, super simple to install this. All you're gonna need is a screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, and we will go over into the truck right now and I'll show you exactly what you need to do. Very, very simple. It installs using the factory hardware, and it installs right in the factory location right up here. And the cool thing about it is that it does not interfere with your 12 volt plug up here. So you can pop that up, see those two screws. Just want to go ahead, uninstall those, and then that's going to go right in its place just like that. Super clean install. So let's go ahead and get that done real quick. So I'm sure you saw what I did there. Go ahead, put the screws in those little holes before you go ahead and put it down. And then the screwdriver could just more or less fit right through there. Just tighten it down, do it on the other side, and you are done. So legit takes 2 minutes to install this thing. It looks super clean. Again, this is kind of like wasted space up here anyway. I mean, they should have totally done this from the factory, but hey, guess what? For 65 or 75 bucks, you could go ahead and just grab one of these. I've gotten some heat before for driving with one hand and having a camera in the other hand. So this was like, a no-brainer for me. So now I could go ahead, just throw my phone mount on here, my GoPro mount. I can talk to you guys while I'm driving now. And, I guess kind of be a better role model for you guys. So yeah, again, it's from MidWestTrx. I'm going to go ahead and throw his Instagram right up on the screen up here. He's a TRX owner, super cool guy. So yeah, go ahead, support him. Send him, tell him Wimya sent you, so, he'll be happy about this. So, yeah, guys, quick install video on the TRX. Sorry, guys, I'm kind of sweating my ass off right now. So, yeah, guys, once again, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.